in your thoughts. You must have gone so far away. What else should I've done to make you stay?
You're my, always you're my, forever you're my reality. You're my sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly. And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will. When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment.
Take my heart, it is yours. From the second I saw you in that coffee painted blue, deep brown eyes in your fairy company. You wanted me to play your little game. That song we used to play to make you feel okay, putting the strings of my heart whenever you fell apart. That song we used to play to make you feel okay, putting the strings of my heart whenever you fell apart.
mystery's hazy, like driving in the pouring rain. Are we in too deep to heal? You tell me that you're sorry, we'll make up tomorrow. Tell me everything you know I wanna hear. I'm trying to be open, but that window is closing. And either way, I need to make it clear before we're leaving here.